Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Let's get started from GCash. Everyone knows how to cash in from PayPal to GCash, but what if you need to get to the other way? Now, as of the 2026, there is still no direct button into the GCash app to send money to the PayPal. If you try to link them, it might be a little bit tricky. So in order to get started, of course, I'm going to be showing you two best bridge methods of how you can move your funds safely without getting scammed by loading cash, whatever. So the number one element is the virtual card bridged. Now, the most reliable way is to use your GCash virtual or the physical Visa MasterCard as a funding source for the PayPal. If you go into your cards directly from GCash, let's say you go for the option that says get started, you go for sign in. Now, of course, this is an actual application that only works onto the phones. So here I do have an actual emulator that we can, of course, use to try to get started. Just in case you don't have a physical card, you can use the virtual pay card. Make sure that you have at least 100 or let's say, for example, $5 extra into your balance for the verification check, right? So into the PayPal, let's head over for PayPal before we download out this application. In this case would be my GCash. You go for the option that says install. Let's head back directly inside here and back into my PayPal account. What I'm going to make sure is that I linked an actual card. So for this, I want to focus for the left section that says paid and get paid. Go for my option that says balance. Here it is, the banks and cards. Let's click directly into banks and cards. Now that we are directly inside here, here is the place where we wanted to get started with an actual credit or the debit card. In my case, I wanted to start by adding the card from GCash. So here the option that says link the card. It will be asking you to enter a debit or credit card number. Here's the card type, here's the expiration date, security code, and the billing address. Now, you might be seeing this screen a little bit blurred because we have sensitive information. But basically, what's going to happen here is that PayPal will put the money directly from your GCash balance in real time. So this is one actual safe and easy method. The second method is to do it something like this, but instead of a credit card will be a banking account middleman. If you actually need the money to sit into your PayPal balance and not just pay through a card, you needed a bank account middleman. So you wanted to transfer your GCash funds to a traditional bank account or a digital bank like the GoTime or the Maya. This is like InstaPay, for example, but costs a little bit more, speaking about the actual fees and all that. So basically, what you need to do is to use your GCash money to, let's say, send it directly to your bank account. And when you do it, so instead of choosing banks and cards and adding an actual card, you wanted to use the bank account that you used to send your GCash account. So instead of, I click into link a bank account, I choose my account number, I go for link your bank account, and just like that, the PayPal will be using the funds from this specific bank account, so I can start now making some purchases and all of that. So basically, this still takes 3 to 5 business days to reflect into your PayPal balance, to take a little bit of your time. Now, there's a third method, which is third-party applications. For example, if you're sending money to someone else from PayPal to Zoom, for example, it owned by PayPal, you can use GCash inside the Zoom application to send the actual money directly to the PayPal account. It's faster than the bank method, but it usually has higher transaction fees. So if you're doing this for a one-time payment, stick to the method number one, because trust me, it's cheaper than that. And basically, Zoom is a service from PayPal, so basically we won't have any trouble there. So whatever you do, never send your GCash to a trader on social media who promises to send you your PayPal in return. For example, you don't want to do this in any way. So this is the easiest way to get scammed into the 2026, guys. I just showed you how to safely get your money from GCash into your banking account and then into the PayPal, or use a credit card from or debit card directly from GCash, or you can paste it directly here into PayPal and you can use it to get started. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel because we want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we can see you next time.